Hello everyone, Tiny Hommy here. We would like to take this opportunity as we recently hit 500 subscribers. We can't wait to receive the official YouTube Play Buttons Award from YouTube Creator. So we thought of making a DIY YouTube Awards as a symbol of how grateful we are to our subscribers, friends, and families. And most importantly, you who tirelessly watch our videos. Without your support, this would not be possible. We greatly appreciate you. Let me show you how I did my DIY YouTube play button.